A massive fire at the former Grew Boats manufacturing property, located south of Owen Sound along Highway 6 and 10 Sunday night, damaged 2 businesses and left 1 resident homeless. According to police, the fire was reported at 8:52 p.m. Upon arrival, emergency crews found the main building of the property was completely engulfed in flames. The fire was fought by the Inter-Township Fire Department with assistance from firefighters from Owen Sound, Meaford, Chatsworth, Grey Highlands, Tara Aaron, West Grey, and South Bruce. Grey County OPP closed Highway 6 and 10 from Grey Road 18 south to Grey Road 16 so fire departments could run pumper trucks loaded with water from a nearby stream to the fire site. An Ontario Fire Marshal investigator was heading to the scene of the fire, which destroyed much of the former boat factory. Police say there are no reported injuries and the cause of the fire is to be investigated.